what was the code all about, or what is your idea about this game? Anyone? What? Motivation. Others? Any other opinion? What do you mean by this code? Okay, stand up. Okay, very good. So, in order for us to achieve our dreams or goals, we must believe in ourselves, especially as a student. So, before we proceed, I have here an activity. So, all you have to do is to thumbs up if you're agreeing the statement and thumbs down if you're disagreeing. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. Number 1, everybody read.
School uniform should be required in all public schools to promote equality and discipline.
Okay, agree or disagree?
Agree.
Why? Okay, if you want to answer, just raise your hand and stand up. Who are agree here? Okay, stand up please. You have to persuade us or explain your side. Why are you agreeing on the statement?
Because mas tinggal niya kaya uniform ang all
Yes, very good. So, do you believe in her opinion?
Yes.
Number 2, who wants to read? Okay, stand up.
The school day should start at 9 a.m. All day 7:30.
Agree or disagree? Why? Who are disagree? Raise your hand, please. Okay, why?
It's because wala siya wala yung ikabuhan.
Okay, very good. Did you hear her side? Why now?
Not clearly.
So, who are agreeing with statement? Wala? Okay, let's proceed to number 3. Who wants to read? Please stand up with your hands. All work should be couple age students.
Uy, ang sapato tayo.
Okay na, good morning tayo. Okay, who are agreeing in the statement? Okay, number 3, payag ba kayong alisin ang assignments?
Yes.
Why? Okay, sinong hindi payag dito na alisin yung assignment? Okay, you are all agree?
Yes.
Okay, number 4. Who wants to read? Please stand up.
Schools should prioritize STEM education over arts and humanities.
Agree or disagree?
Disagree.
Disagree. Again, if you're disagree, you have to thumbs down. Right? Okay, agree or disagree?
Disagree.
Why? Explain why. Okay?
Because any student can choose na say na gusto. Hindi man i-force nila ang STEM kung hindi nila kaya. And dapat mag-everyone, if ever na ilahan na passion ang art kaysa sa science and stuff.
Yes, very good. Okay, everyone, have you heard her opinion? Yes. Agree ka kayo? So, walang agree about this statement? Okay, let's proceed to number 5. Who wants to read? Okay, stand up. Okay, agree or disagree? Kaya pa kayong i-replace ang examination with project-based assessments? Why? So, children is a project? Yes. Okay, have you heard her side? Ito. Okay, sa exam natin malalaman kung kaya natutunan ba yung mga estudyante or wala. Tama? Okay. Based on our activities, what do you think is our topic or discussion is all about for today? Okay, stand up. Okay, Molly, mga minor. Very sweet. See you. Any other answers? Hat? Again? Informative, let's say. Others? Stand up. Argumentative, let's say. So, our topic for today is argumentative, informative, and persuasive writing techniques. Okay, everybody read.
Argumentative, informative, and persuasive writing techniques.
So here are our objectives for today. So again, everybody read.
At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to identify the ways of using argumentative, informative, and persuasive writing techniques. B. Show ability to use variety of argumentative, informative, and persuasive writing techniques. C. Give value of using argumentative, informative, and persuasive writing techniques.
So let's start with argumentative writing technique. So when we say argumentative, what comes into your mind? Again, if you want to answer, just raise your hand and stand up. Okay. Argumentative. Stand up, please. Ilan?
Another one. Food. Kailan po food?
What's your last name?